Hi, Swadika, hi everyone. My last day here. It's a beautiful sunset. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Thanks very much for joining me, watching and commenting. And it's raining. It's raining. You can see the rain start. I could not believe it. Look. You can hear the rain. Wow. That's be good for here. I could not believe it. It's raining, but it's still sunny, you know. So nice. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Hope everybody doing okay. Thank you. Look. I can see the sunset. Awesome. So nice. สวยๆค่ะ สวยมากค่ะ ตะวันตกดิน And that's my house over there. Oh wow, thank you. See you soon. Look at there. Look around. Oh, then you better walk fast. Thank you, my dear friend. See you soon. Bye. My friend, how are you today? It's 7 o'clock. We are ready to go for the fishing trip. We're going fishing. Lady Mom, go fishing. Hello everyone, Swadika. Just made to get to the Elephant Butte city where my mom stay, and we turning right up here. It's getting closer now. It took us about 2 hours from where other house is, New Mexico, to here. And on the way here, the scenery look like this. Looks mountains, a little bit of tree with a hill there. Look dry, very dry, humid. Look like it all the way down to here. It's quite nice, you know. I quite like it. When you need to live in a big city, you sit on a traffic jam for hours. And when you come here, you drive on no car and one open big space. Just carry on slowly until I get here. It's quite lucky with no traffic at all. My mom said there's hardly any traffic. The roads always quiet like this. This is quite a bonus for me. So I like to be out somewhere quiet. You know, you live in the city life for so long. And I'm a morning bitch now. And we nearly here, my friends. And we turn right again somewhere here. That's us get to our house. It's no quiet, very street, very quiet. Even turning is not many traffic, you know. 1 or 2 car, that was it. Only we turn left again and then turn right into our street. And see where we stay here. Start from about here. 100 of motorhome or caravan, you call it. And every neighbor, everyone earn a boat. Big boat, small boat, very big boat. You got money, big house, big boat. Every one of them. Even the house, very small house, they earn a boat. I take it, everyone here go fishing in Elephant Butte. The one you seen in front of you. We are quite soon we'll be looking down, and we see the big blue sky and also the blue water. Really long hills. We looking down and we see it right away. This is very nice, very dry. I say, you know, but I quite like it here. And compared to where I stay in Scotland, it was raining all year round. We had no season, summer or winter, even rain in the snowing rain the same days, you know. 4 seasons in one day, you call it, you know. And I think we got to turn right somewhere again. I hope you guys enjoy the video and thanks very much for watching and commenting and joining. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate everyone. Thank you for your time. Making comment and take your time. Thank you very much. I'm talking to myself here. It's lovely here. I don't know you notice, I hadn't seen a lot of cars, I'm quite lucky. I quite like it here. It's a treat for a holiday. It's quite close to where we are now. See all on the left hand side, all the motorhome, and everybody there seem to be having lot of motorhome boats, lots of boats. I bet they go fishing every day. The motorhome they can just drive to the lake and park there, fishing overnight and come back, I suppose. So they don't need to come back home. But most people not live here. They come from other place. We turn right soon. We will turn left soon. Where our house is, another house, like I suppose a holiday fishing home. Is on the left here, where the black car is. So we'll be turning in there. Hi friend, today is going to rain, so we can't go to the fishing. We plan to go because I think it's raining. Rain is coming, and last night had been rain all night. So it's where we're supposed to be go. We live quite close to Elephant Butte. That's where we stay. Thank you for watching, dear friend. ขอบคุณมากค่ะที่ตาม สวัสดีค่ะ